They're honest with you, they don't hide anything, they make you feel like family, and my whole buying process was perfect. I wouldn't want to go anywhere else. Hey, my name's John. I bought a F-350 SuperDuty from Abigail and Brandon from Fusz Ford. I'm a welder and I needed something that'll pull my camper across the country, and you know, the deal was great and the truck was well taken care of and it's everything I really wanted, so it actually kind of worked out perfectly. You know, this truck was everything I wanted, and you know, higher payload capacity, I could pull bigger trailers and more tools and travel across the country with ease. You have that stigma of your typical salesman where they kind of force you into stuff or rush you in, and these guys were great. I've known Brandon for a long time and they made me feel like family, and I'm super happy with how everything worked out. You know, they took very good care of me and highly recommend both of them.